Hello, good evening. It's the time for my husband's smoothie. I'm a full-time wife now. No more traveling and just look after my home life. And right now, my husband's watching television and I asked him if he wants some smoothie drink because I want one too. I will not make it if I don't want it. So yeah, the other day I talked about psychological generosity or like a social investment, connecting with people, human emotion. And it's about when you are somewhere, especially in public places, consider the people around you. It's okay to glue yourself in your on your phone, but before you do that, say hi, say hello, even just nodding your head. Just simply nod your head, telling people, yeah, I know you are there. And thank you for being or sharing my space. That's what you do. So much to learn about being civilized in this society we live in. There is so much chaos going around. People are fighting for survival. You just never know what's around the corner. In the end of the day, if anything happened to us, the nearest person sitting around us or in front of us is the first one who will call the ambulance. It happened to us. We were somewhere and my husband suddenly passed out. We were at McDonald's actually. We're having our lunch. And you know what? After a long day of delivering catalogs and pamphlets in everybody's mailbox in one community somewhere, we went to McDonald's to cool down and to have something to eat. My husband, he just slowly sink under the table. And I didn't even notice. He was collapsing. Well, the ambulance came. They didn't give me a ride. I ended up calling my brother-in-law, my sister, to come and pick me up. I don't know. They took my husband to PA hospital. And that night, it was nighttime by the time I get home. I rang my husband's cousin. And of all things, they were having dinner somewhere else. But I am just so glad everything is all right. And my husband was happy to get back home. Yes, say hello, say hi, acknowledge the people around you. They are the one who's going to come and help you first before the police or the ambulance comes. There's no harm in saying hello and saying hi to the person across you, on your left, on your right, and behind you. It gives them a chance to know that they are around you. Anyhow, I will finish my husband's smoothie. No, I didn't bite that. I cut a piece because I want to taste it the other day. And I'm doing apple and watermelon smoothie. I'm going to put a scoop of ice cream and a tablespoonful of honey. Yum, yum. All right. Have a good night. See you all again.